This is a Chucky Beat production.
Headphones, the integrated part of our life, right? But some of the guys still use some kind of earphones that are wired one. Yeah, I'm not talking about the wireless ones at all because they're pretty much pricey, and this is the budget segment. So if you are a guy who uses a earphone and just want to upgrade to a kind of headphones like this, yeah, that was a spoiler alert. That's a headphone for you guys who want to upgrade to a new headphone and you're not an audiophile type guy and your budget is pretty low, about 1000 to 1500. So this is the headphone for you, and this is the unboxing. So if it's the first time here or in case you've just forgotten, my name is Rahul, you're watching Geeks, and this is the full unboxing and overview of the Motorola Moto Pulse Max, the version 1. So hi, this is welcome to Geeks, and this is the headphone. That's a Motorola Pulse Max, and this is my second time unboxing because the previous footage was kind of messy because there was lots of sound, background sound, some wind sound. Yeah, there are still kind of sounds all everywhere because I just live beside the main road, so there might be some sound. Please bear with me. So let's come to the topic. I have to unbox this one. This is the Motorola Pulse Max over the ear wired headphone, and the second one is this Tizum cable. As you can see, I have already opened it because I had already shooted the original unboxing, and this is the cable I'm gonna show you later on. So I have just repacked this headphone once again for you guys, and let's get started. So as you can see, this is the Pulse Max over the ear headphone. This is a picture, and from the initial impression the headphone looks cool. And on the left there are some specifications. As you can see, 40mm driver, delivers big sound and great bass. Full size over the ear headphone with ambient noise, isolates ambient noise, ultra lightweight with rotating ear cups for flat travel, and inline microphone for hands-free calling. Okay, that's fine. And on the right, what we have some more features, like some more technical specifications. As you can see, this is the Motorola Pulse Max over the ear wired headphone, 3.5mm to 3.5mm inline cable. That means, as you can see, it's detachable. That means you can detach the cable and you can go for these kind of cables, like just I have bought one. So yeah, specification driver, 40mm dynamic neodymium magnet driver, impedance 32 ohm, frequency response 18Hz to 23 kHz, 7200 dB inline microphone. And there's a pricing kind of thing. As you can see, there's one headphone, one line cable, and QSG twisted guide, black colored. I have opted for the black one. The price code here is 24,999. That means almost 2,500 rupees. But you can get this headphone on Flipkart for about 900 to 1400 rupees. I have got it for 1000 rupees, but the price sometimes increases to 1500. That means 1500, and even it goes down to 950 rupees. That's a pretty good deal, I would say. But yeah, and on the bottom, on the back, what do you have? Let me just show you. Let me just keep the camera quite a bit up. As you can see, studio quality performance, lightweight design. Motorola Pulse Max combines the studio quality audio you expect with lightweight design that's stylish, comfortable, and lay flat for travel. And there are the same things like inline microphone for hand-free call, and my camera is just trying to focus once again and again. I don't know why, and it's just trying to refocus. Let me fix the focus. Why does can't focus? Okay, now it's in focus. So yeah, there's a headphone, and let's fix the focus once again. And on the top we have this kind of barcode from Flipkart. They generally put this kind of barcode on packages, but yesterday I just unboxed this one. This is the USB cable. They didn't give any barcode, so weird. So just keep that aside. And here is the packaging. I have already opened it. There you can get 3 seals. Let me just focus. It just fails to focus. Here you can just get 3 seals, and first one is here, second one is here, and the third one is here, just beside the bar. As you can see, here is the seal. So yeah, I have just broken 3 of it, and so let's take out the headphone. As you can see, it just comes in this way, and you have to just pull this out, as you can see. And there's still some paperwork for you guys. As you can see, the first one is kind of an language. Yeah, as you can see, it's in English also. Music call button, press once for play, pause, press twice for forward, and then 3 times to rewind. Microphone. Okay, so as you can see, current phone, mobile device, and yeah, that's cool. So here's a manual also. It has 1 year of warranty. That's pretty good. And yeah, so just keep these things aside. And so here is a cable. As you can see, I've already opened it. And here is an inline microphone that you can see right now. This can't focus. My camera is just weird. It just sucks, man. So here's an inline microphone, and here is the cable detached. And these are pretty good quality, but this is not a L-type connector. These are typical straight connectors. So yeah, just keep this. And here is the headphone. As you can see, guys, the cups are big, pretty good, and this is a pretty thin cloth, I would say. That's good, fine. And I don't know how is the quality of this cup, how would it last, but initially it looks good. And you can also rotate it with, this is a normal position. You can rotate it like this, like it becomes like this thing, like flat, like this. And the Sony one also had something like more that you can just build it from inside, but that's not possible with this one. And the greater advantage with this one over the Sony one is that it has a bigger ear cups. So as you can see, it is also that it can be extended like this, and it's a plastic one. I think a little bit of metal, and the whole body is plasticky, so that's good for the price. 900 rupees is good, plastic one. And so the headphone, and this is just the initial impression. And what you have to do is that according to that image, what you have to do is that here is the connector. That means this is the earphone, and you have to just connect it to your phone this side, and this is the side that you have to connect it to this thing. So yeah, this works like this, and this keeps nearer to your phone, I would say. So yeah, that's it for now. Hope you like the video. And as you can see, on the top we also get a fake leather kind of finish. Overall good. This is pretty soft, but I don't know how much it will last. So okay, so that's the headphone, and let's just show you the aux cable third party that I just bought. So just keep these things aside. And so here is the box. The price quoted here is, you just can't focus one second. As you can see, the price quoted here is 749 rupees. That is 750 rupees almost. And it's a plug and plug. I don't know why this is spelling. It's a Tizum one, and it's 1.8 meter length, pretty long, and it just can't focus. As usual, this focusing just sucks. Still can't focus, so let's just say MP3, hi-fi audio is also supported, and it supports with almost everything, high speed, high quality. And yeah, so here's the cable, and the sad thing is that it's not a braided cable. I just wanted a braided cable, and this one is just connects with the phone, and this one connects with the, what I would say, with the headphone that is detachable. Let me just show you with that headphone. So let's detach this and this, let's just connect with this. This is the one that is there, and it is this one that generally gets connected. So yeah, good quality, pretty good. So that's it for now. Hope you like the video. Like, share, subscribe. Hope to see you in my next video. Signing off. Thank you. And if you like this product, just go down and there will be the link in the description. Follow that and buy it. It does help the channel. And if you are going down, don't forget to comment down, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that we can get always notified about our next videos. So signing off. Thank you. Bye bye now.